steps, you need some ginger. All right. Need a portion of ginger. I'm gonna get the lemon. This is the lemon. We're gonna use roughly about half of a lemon into the blender. Then we're gonna cut up some apple. Nice one. Now, as you can see, that's the green apple, ginger, and lemon. Alright, now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this inside of it. Alright. Then, put a little bit of water. And a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to blend this up. Okay. You don't have to strain it, it's optional. But for, just to get it light, I'm gonna strain it. But you don't have to. But look at this. Still gonna help you in your immune system. You can have this. now you guys can drink this 2 to 3 times a day if you can, or 2 times a day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. Alright? Now, if you are constipated, this is a very, very good drink for you to drink. So cheers. Alright guys, beautiful